So in order to track the location of the iPad, we need to use another device. Most likely it's going to be an iPhone. So on your iPhone, but it also works on Androids by the way, but on the iPhone you can go to the Find My application and then tap on the devices below. You can see all of your devices listed right there. So you can just locate your iPad and you will be able to see it on the map and where exactly it is, right? So you can zoom that in. You can see when it was the last time that this iPad was at the location and also perhaps the battery situation. So this is how you can use it and have access to it right away. As I say, it only works if the iPad is mine, meaning that it is signed in with the same Apple ID as my phone is. But if it's not, then you can just go to the Safari web browser and there just type in iCloud.com. So it's pretty simple right there. So you can literally just type that in and you can or need to log in with the Apple ID, which also belongs to that iPad. That is for the case that it's something else, right? But once you just sign in and just go through the process right there, you can also access the Find My application directly through the website and check out the location of your iPad as well. So this is useful if you, I don't know, something happens, right, and you want to check it out on the map. You can see it right there as well. But, yeah, you need to have access to the Apple ID. So that's how it works. Let me know if you managed to track the iPad's location. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.